Method of changing dependent variable, otherwise said to be reduction to normal form. Working rule: write the differential equation in the standard form, that is, we should make the coefficient of d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx, that is, we should make the coefficient of d square y by dx square 1. To bring it to normal form or to remove the first order derivative, choose u equal to e power minus half integral p dx. At times we will be asked to solve by removing its first order derivative. It's nothing but method of changing dependent variable. Then put y equal to uv in the equation. Then the given equation reduces to the normal form. The normal form is d square v by dx square plus iv equal to s, where I is equal to q minus 1 by 4 p square minus 1 by 2 dp by dx, and s is equal to r by u. Solve the equation obtained. Okay, that will give us the solution for v, and the complete solution is given by y equal to uv. Now the problems: solve by changing the dependent variable d square y by dx square minus 2 tan x dy by dx minus of a square plus 1 y equal to e power x secant x by reducing it to normal form. So the given equation is already in the standard form. So write the given equation as it is. After that, write down P, Q, R. P, that is coefficient of dy by dx is P, coefficient of y is Q, and the right hand side is R. Now we should find u. U is equal to e power minus half integral p dx. P is minus 2 tan x, minus 2 by 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so integral tan x is log secant x. Exponential and logarithm are inverse functions, hence e power log secant x is secant x itself. To proceed further, y is equal to uv. Okay, put y equal to uv in the given equation. That will give us d square v by dx square plus iv equal to s. Find I using the formula q minus 1 by 4 p square minus 1 by 2 dp by dx, that is equal to minus of a square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into 4 tan square x minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 secant square x. 4 and 4 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and here minus of minus is plus, that gives us minus a square minus 1 minus tan square plus secant square. So here take minus common, it will give us minus of 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So minus secant square x plus secant square x gets cancelled. Thus I is equal to minus a square. S is equal to r by u. R is e power x secant x by u. U is secant x. That gives us e power x. So d square v by dx square minus a square v equal to e power x. Writing in notation form, operator notation, d square minus a square into v equal to e power x. Auxiliary equation is m square minus a square equal to 0. Roots are m is equal to plus or minus a. Complementary function c1 e power ax plus c2 e power minus ax. Particular integral 1 by d square minus a square e power x equal to, so we should use case 1 of particular integral. Put d equal to m, thus we will get 1 by 1 minus a square e power x. So v is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is c1 e power ax plus c2 e power minus ax plus 1 by 1 minus e square e power x. But the complete solution is y is equal to uv, that is equal to secant x into c1 e power ax plus c2 e power minus ax plus 1 by 1 minus a square e power x. Next problem, solve by changing the dependent variable. X square d square y by dx square minus 4x cube dy by dx plus 4x power 4 minus 2x square plus 5 into y equal to x power 4 e power x square, where x is positive, by removing the first derivative. So by removing the first derivative means we have to solve by changing the dependent variable. Otherwise, if they say by reducing to normal form also we should solve by changing the dependent variable. Now coefficient of d square y by dx square is x square, so we should make it 1. Therefore divide throughout by x square, okay, and then write down p. So p is minus 4x, q is 4x square minus 2 plus 5 by x square, r is equal to x square e power x square. To remove the first derivative, choose u equal to e power minus half integral p dx, that is equal to e power x square. Put y equal to uv, so d square v by dx square plus iv equal to s. Find I using the formula q minus 1 by 4 p square minus 1 by 2 dp by dx, that is equal to 4x square minus 2 plus 5 by x square minus 4x square plus 2. Okay, so after cancelling the terms, we'll get 5 by x square. S is equal to r by u, r by u. R is x square e power x square, u is e power x square. Therefore, x square is what is S. So, substituting in d square v by dx square plus iv equal to s, I is 5 by x square, s is x square. Now we cannot solve this equation, okay, by any other method except by multiplying both sides by x square, wherein the equation reduces to a homogeneous differential equation. Having multiplied both sides by x square, the equation is now a homogeneous differential equation where we should put z equal to e power x, okay, yes, z is equal to e power x. Put x square d square equal to d1 into d1 minus 1, d is equal to d by dx, d1 is equal to d by dz. So the equation now becomes, okay, d1 square, d1 into d1 minus 1, that is d1 square minus d1 plus 5 into v equal to e power 4z. Auxiliary equation m square minus m plus 5 equal to 0. The roots are 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 19 by 2. Hence complementary function is e power half z into c1 cos root 19 by 2z plus c2 sin root 19 by 2z. Particular integral 1 by d1 square minus d1 plus 5 e power 4z, that is equal to 1 by 17 for e power 4z, because e power 4z, that is e power mx, we should use case 1 of particular integral. So put d1 equal to 4. Having got this, v is now equal to complementary function plus particular integral. E power half z is nothing but x power half, because z is equal to e power x. Okay, z is equal to e power x and x is equal to log z. So next, c1 cos root 19 by 2 z plus c2 sin root 19 by 2 z, that is complementary function. It now becomes x power half c1 cos root 19 by 2 log x, okay, plus c2 sin root 19 by 2 log x. Z is log x, okay, plus 1 by 17 x power 4. So y equal to uv, so y is equal to u e power x square into v, root x into c1 cos root 19 by 2 log x plus c2 sin root 19 by 2 log x plus 1 by 17 x power 4. Hence the solution. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.